This is how you can make Vietnamese spring rolls at home with whatever vegetables you have on hand. To start off, we are going to grind 2 cloves of garlic. If you don't have a grinder, you can just mince it. That works as well. Then we're going to do about 1 inch of ginger, so around 1 to 2 teaspoons. Next, we're going to put in 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Half a tablespoon of fish sauce. 1.5 tablespoons of oil. I'm just using vegetable oil. 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. 1.5 tablespoons of lemon juice. And then around half a teaspoon of chili paste or dried chilies. We're going to stir that up really good. We're going to take our chicken. I'm using chicken tenders. And just put them in the marinade. And you can either stir this up or do it with your hands. Now we're going to cover this and put it in the fridge for at least a half hour, preferably over an hour. Next up, we're going to take our vegetables. So I like to use carrot, pepper, and cucumber. I don't have any cucumber today, so we're just going to do carrot and pepper. Then you're going to take your carrots. I like to slice a little bit off the one side so that I can slice them a lot thinner. And then you can take these pieces, turn them on their side again, and slice them. That way you have nice little pieces. And then I've gone ahead and got my herbs ready. So we have mint and Thai basil. I do like to add cilantro when I have it. I don't have it today, so. And now for the dipping sauce, we're going to take half a cup of peanut butter. A tablespoon of brown sugar. A tablespoon of sriracha. One and a half tablespoons of soy sauce. A squeeze of lemon. And we're going to start by mixing that up. And it will be really thick like this. So then we're going to add water with 2 tablespoons of water. It's still really thick. So we're going to add 4 tablespoons of water to it. And it should be looking like this. Nice creamy peanut butter. Then we're going to chop up some cilantro. And put a tablespoon of cilantro in. Okay, that's our sauce. I have this pan on really high heat, so it's really hot. You can feel the heat coming off it. Now that our chicken has marinated, I'm going to drop the chicken in the pan at very high heat. Okay, so this angles might be a little better. We'll just put a tad bit of oil so that it can sear a little better. But we're gonna just grab the chicken, drop it in the pan, and finish it up. Okay, so it's starting to brown. We're gonna start to turn it at this point. Since there is some brown sugar in here, it may caramelize a little faster. Slice it in long strips like this. Still kind of hot. You can let it cool down. Now that we have everything ready, we're going to take rice paper. So this is the rice paper that I get. You can find it at any Asian market pretty much. And you're gonna take this and just dunk it in the water, just for about 5-10 seconds. And make sure you have a clean counter, or you can do this on a cutting board. I prefer the counter though. So you lay it out. And what I like to do is get the next one ready because these take a little bit to get soft. So put the next one in the water, just dunk it for about 10 seconds again. And then this one we're just gonna put on a plate. Okay, so now this is getting soft. We're going to go ahead and put our vegetables and chicken on it. So let's just take some carrots, some pepper. And since I don't have any cucumber, I'm putting lettuce on this time. And then you want to use a bunch of herbs. So I have basil and mint, so we're going to put that on. And now the best way to roll these is to pull it a little bit to one side. Take this side, stretch it over the top, and pull back. So once you've pulled it back, you can see some things are trying to fall out. So you're gonna pull it back so that everything's nice and tight before you start rolling. And what I like to do is fold in the side before we get to the end so that they're sealed in good. And then continue rolling. And it comes out just like that. Make sure you pull it back really tight, roll it over, pull the ends in. And this is gonna take practice.